Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to talk about the mouse settings or mouse pad. So in this laptop, it's a HP laptop, the mouse pad is not working. The mouse pad or touchpad uh, is not completely not working. So I am going to figure out, I'm using external mouse which is working, so that's I know the mouse feature is working, but my laptop mouse pad is not working. So going through the setting and search touchpad. When I do that, I cannot find any touchpad driver or any feature in my laptop. So it looks like it's like disappeared, or I don't know how that happened. So uh, I'm just gonna figure out the way how we can install those drivers again. So first thing, go into the device manager. You have to go into here and search. You have to find the mouse here and make sure, because right now it's showing this external mouse there. So if I unplug that, as you can see, mouse is gone. We don't have any driver for mouse. When I plug this one in, the external mouse is gonna start appearing there. So it's not showing any laptop mouse, or it's not identifying any laptop mouse. So we have to go into the browser and search HP laptop mouse touchpad drivers download. So it's going to bring you to the HP website. Click on that, and then either you have to download or select your laptop manually, or it's going to find out for yourself. So here is identified my laptop, and by clicking check this, and then you have to click start download. It's gonna download a HP.exe file of the firmware. Just run that file and click on yes. It may ask you to the admin logins sometimes, so click next, agree, install. It's gonna take, yeah, that's pretty quick. Finish that, and now it's gonna open into the Windows. Continue with that. Yes, open. Okay. So now it's bringing you to this one. Here is identifying your machine or whichever device laptop you have. HP device, it's gonna identify that, fetch all the data or drivers of your laptop, and then tells you what to do next. It's very handy and very easy to identify, and with the help of the HP design, instead of you searching manually yourself and then find out what to do, what not to do, it's kind of very easier here. So we're gonna wait and watch, and I will show you how things works here. So now there you go. As you can see, it fully run uh, the setup, and that's my laptop and my details of my product. Click on that, and then it's gonna let you select the drivers, and that's my machine, a HP 250 15.6-inch G9 notebook. You have to select the operating system running in your laptop, Windows 11, and you have to select the operating system, Windows 11 64-bit. For that, you have to come to this PC properties, and here you are able to see what's your operating system. Is it 64 type, 64-bit, or 32-bit? So usually the new laptops are 64-bit. Select that. We will check again to double check. Okay, now select that. Windows 11. Submit. Now you have to click on this to detect my softwares and drivers. It's bringing back to the same page. Click OK. So it's successful. It says you don't need any software driver at this time. That's a bit weird because so here you can download manually as well. Here you can download this diagnostic, which you can install on this app on your machine and then run the setup, and then maybe it will bring up there. Click on that and download. As you can see, it's downloading now. Now we'll just wait and see. Okay, click on install now. Yes, next. So it's fully installed now. Close the window. And now we are going to search. So the another way you can check and maybe you can troubleshoot. So come into the settings and then search devices or select devices. Select mouse, or you can search the touchpad. If you can see that. Show all mouse settings. I think that's the only one it's showing here. Click on that. Now you have to click on advanced mouse options. You have to check here. So that's the only external mouse coming up. Yeah, you have to click on drivers and update drivers and just restart your laptop again if it picks up. Otherwise, you have to check for the updates of the Windows. Make sure your laptop is fully up to date because this one is a brand new laptop and that's really not common. So you have to restart the laptop and try again. If that works for you, it's fine. If not, so maybe you have to reinstall the whole operating system into the machine by wiping it down fully. But we'll try again now. We restarted the whole laptop and it looks like it's still not working. So yeah, it's still not working. So yeah, I might have to reinstall, but maybe in your case it worked by you doing these things. So just let me know in the comments below.